Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the amazing and stunning Christmas mannequin dresses, the Christmas tree dresses ideas to wear and for decorate as well. Different type of amazing, beautiful collection you guys will found in this whole video. So I want to request you people to watch this video till the end. Different type of amazing, beautiful designs which are latest, amazing and designer. I just collected for you people so you guys can watch, get designs and make your outfit beautiful and stylish and stunning like this. Wear this type of dresses on your Christmas and you guys will look so amazing and beautiful. You guys will never find this type of beautiful collection on any other channel, so I want to request you guys do watch this video. And if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so you guys will never have to search my channel and video. Easily you guys can watch my all videos just through the notification. The latest new trendy and the new latest fashion you guys will only found on my videos. And hopefully just like my all videos, this video will be helpful for you people, and different type of amazing beautiful ideas of dresses to wear and to decorate you guys can find from my video collection. So my dear viewers, you guys can easily design it in your homes. It is a new latest collection I just collected, so hopefully you guys will love this all designs. Every type of color and decorating ideas is available, so you can choose your favorite one and which you like the most. Give me your reviews and your feedback in the comment section. Do you like my videos and ideas of Christmas tree dresses? So I will definitely try to bring more amazing collection for you peoples. Your reviews and your feedback were really helpful for me and motivate me as well to bring more amazing beautiful collection for you peoples. And what you guys want to watch on my upcoming videos, you guys can also suggest me, tell me that in the comments. I will try to bring that collection for you peoples. And different type of amazing beautiful Christmas collection like Christmas tree decorating ideas, the home decorating ideas, staircase Christmas decorating ideas, the Christmas outfit pairing ideas, Christmas cake decorating ideas, all type of Christmas stuff, Christmas door, Christmas outdoor decoration, everything, every type of decoration about Christmas, everything related to Christmas, the Christmas crafting ideas you guys can also found on my videos. So you guys will never have to search anything about Christmas. You guys can find easily all things on my channel. And different type of amazing leather stuff as well, leather skirts, leather pants, leather handbags, leather jackets, all type of leather stuff is also available. So hopefully you guys will love my all collection and designs of dresses to wear and style. So I want to request you people, as you are watching my this video collection, do watch my previous videos and my upcoming videos as well. So my every video will be helpful for you peoples, and I will be back again with my another amazing collection. Just wait for my next upcoming video. Hopefully my all videos will be helpful for you. Thank you.